one of the beautifulest views of Shillong. See the night beauty of Shillong from the high peak of the hill, and that side it's an road, so the car are passing by the national highway, and from that side that's the view. I hope everybody's enjoying the views like stars